My name's David Forbes, and in the next half hour or so, we'll be looking at nationally significant infrastructure projects leading to development consent orders. I've been dealing with these and other planning matters for some considerable time, and I do hope that I'll be able to bring some experience as well as legal knowledge to this course. At the end of the session, you will find some questions, multi-choice questions, which I hope will be of assistance to you in bringing back some of the things we've discussed. So, what will we be covering in this session? We'll be looking at the pre-application part of the process, which is extremely important. It really does take up a huge amount of time and has been considerably altered in the last year or so. Then we'll be looking at the acceptance by the inspectorate of the application, or otherwise, in other words, their possible refusal of the application. We'll be looking at the pre-examination issues to see what it is that needs to be dealt with by the applicant to enable their application to be accepted. We'll be looking at the examination itself, then the recommendation by the inspectorate to the relevant Secretary of State, and the final decision being made by the Secretary of State. We'll then look at the post-decision aspects, particularly challenges, which can only be made by judicial review. We'll then look also at modifications of the development consent order, the enforcement of it, particularly by the local authority who are responsible for it, and the reform proposals which have been set out in the Planning and Infrastructure Act of this year.